Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to share with you the video of TED Talk. The topic is how a 13 years old boy turned impossible to I am possible. The speaker for this TED Talk is Sparsha, who is an inspiration speaker, singer, rapper and a fighter of a rare bone disease. Sparsha was born in New Jersey, America. When Sparsh was just 1 year old, he was diagnosed with a rare bone disease called osteogenesis imperfecta. Due to this disease, Sparsh's bones are very fragile and break easily, causing him to be wheelchair bound for his entire life. However, Sparsh never gave up and worked hard to achieve his dreams. Sparsh proved himself in every phase of his life. He showed interest in singing, rapping, and music with the guidance of parents and teachers. Sparsh was very interested in music and used to sing a song by his favorite rappers like Eminem, Lil Wayne, and Logic. One day, Sparsh told his parents that he also wants to make career in music. Sparsh's parents were initially hesitant about his music career, but when they found out that Sparsh was very talented, they started supporting him. Sparsh worked hard to pursue his music career. He wrote his own songs, made his own music videos, and performed in concerts. His performance has had a positive impact on people, inspiring them. One day, Sparsh received an email inviting him to give a TED Talk. This was a huge achievement of Sparsh. However, when he got on stage, he had lot of thoughts in his mind. In thoughts about whether people would judge him, whether they would like him, and many other questions. But Sparsh overcome all these thoughts and spoke from his heart on stage. In this TED Talk, Sparsh talked about his journey. He talked about how he was scared when he first found out about his disease. But he motivated himself and told himself that if he did not let his disease become negative for him, he could make his life positive. Sparsh saw every moment of his life as an opportunity and worked hard to pursue his dreams. Sparsh also mentioned in his TED Talk that when he performs on stage, he has only one message in his mind, which is how to break out of his limitation. He said he feels like a superhero in his life and is grateful for that feeling. Sparsh also talked about how we should see our disability as a strength. We should see our life from a positive angle and try to pursue our dreams. If we motivate ourselves and work hard, we can turn on impossible into possible. After listening to his talk, we learned many things. Sparsh, we saw that if we work hard of our dreams, we can turn our disability into strength. We should see our lives from a positive angles and try to pursue our dreams. We also learned that we should not define our limitation by ourselves. We should motivate ourselves and see our life from a positive angle. If we believe in ourselves and work hard, we can turn our impossible into possible. So Sparsh has shared 4 points in his TED Talk that can help us move forward in life. Turning impossible into I am possible. Sparsh explained that we should take our limitation as a challenge and turn our disability into a strength. If we motivate ourselves and work hard, we can turn our impossible into possible. Never stop ourselves. Sparsh also motivates in his TED talk that we should never stop ourselves from pursuing our dreams. We should keep motivating ourselves, working hard to fulfill our dreams. Helping others. Sparsh suggestion that we should also help our community and use our talents and skills assist others. In this way, we can inspire ourselves and create positive impact. The last one, dream big. Sparsh also mentioned in his TED talk that we should dream big and strive to achieve them. If we take our limitation as a challenge and motivate ourselves, we can surely achieve our big dreams. There are four summarize the core message of Sparsh's TED talk. If we apply these points in our life, we can turn our impossible into possible and fulfill our dreams. We learned many good things from this TED talk. Sparsha has inspired us with his inspirational journey, where he pursued his dream by seeing his disability as a strength. Furthermore, he has shown that we can turn our impossible to by motivating ourselves. So inspire yourself and bring a positive change in your life by applying a 4 points. We hope you enjoy this video and success in bringing positive change to your life. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.